The printer prints text and pictures from a computer or other digital device by printing them on paper or any other. It changes digital information as physical or touchable, creating important documents, images, barcode, and even 3D objects. The printer is basically an output device for the computer, which publishes information through the printed text and graphics. Number 1 HP LaserJet Pro MFP 4101 FDW Wireless Black and White All-in-One Laser Printer, Scanner, Copier, Fax, best for office. Brand HP Connectivity Technology Ethernet, USB Printing Technology Laser Special Feature Auto Document Feeder Color White. Model name New version, LaserJet Pro 4101 FDW Printer Output Monochrome Max Print Speed Monochrome 42 Item Weight 33 pounds. Product dimension 16.54 inch dx 12.72 wx 15.35 HFROM America's most trusted printer brand, perfect for small teams printing, scanning and copying professional quality black and white documents and reports plus fax. Auto 2-sided printing and auto document feeder for fast scan copy. Perfect for up to 10 people, blazing fast prints. Number 2 Canon Megatank GX 2020 All-in-One Wireless Super Tank Printer, Print, Copy and Scan Mobile Printing, 2.7-inch LCD Color Touchscreen Auto Document Feeder and Auto Duplex Printing, brand Canon. Connectivity technology USB, Wi-Fi, Wireless LAN, 2.4/5 GHz, IA802.11b/G/N/A/S/AC, Wired LAN 100 base TX/10 base T. Printing technology inkjet special feature auto document feeder, Energy Star, touchscreen color white. Model name Maxify GX 2020 printer output color maximum print speed 10 max print speed monochrome 15 item weight 17.8 pounds wireless print copy scan fax. 2. Print up to 3000 black and white 3000 color pages using a single set of inks. 2.7-inch LCD color touchscreen auto 2-sided printing ADF 35 sheet auto document feeder. Number 3 HP OfficeJet Pro 8139E Wireless All-in-One Color Inkjet Printer, Print, Scan, Copy, Fax, ADF, Duplex Printing, best for home office. 1-year instant ink trial included. Brand HP Connectivity Technology Ethernet, USB, Wi-Fi Printing Technology HP Thermal Inkjet. Special feature Forest First product with HP Plus, FSC certified packaging, contains ocean-bound recycled plastic, 45% post-consumer recycled plastic, recyclable through HP Planet Partners, HP Instant Ink eligible, automatic document feeder, touchscreen, quiet mode, print over VPN with HP Plus. Forest First product with HP Plus, FSC certified packaging, contains ocean-bound recycled plastic. Number 4 HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E All-in-One Printer, Color, Printer for small medium business, print, copy, scan, fax, touchscreen, smart advanced scan, 3-month instant ink trial included. Brand HP Connectivity Technology Ethernet, USB, wireless printing technology inkjet special feature 2.7-inch touchscreen, 250 sheet paper tray, auto document feeder, double-sided scanning color cement. Model name New version printer output color maximum print speed 18 ppm max print speed monochrome 22 ppm. Item weight 20.48 pounds. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E delivers fast color printing, 250 sheet paper capacity, and duplex scanning and copying. It includes wireless and printer security capabilities to keep your multifunction printer up to date and secure. From America's most trusted printer brand, the OfficeJet Pro 9125E is perfect for offices printing professional quality color documents like presentations, brochures, and flyers. Prints. Number 5 HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3301 SDW Wireless All-in-One Color Laser Printer, Scanner, Copier, best for office. Brand HP Connectivity Technology USB Printing Technology Laser Special Feature Auto Duplex Color Width. Model name 3301 SDW. Printer output color maximum print speed 30 max print speed monochrome 30 item weight 37.7 pounds from America's most trusted printer brand, perfect for small teams printing, scanning and copying professional quality color documents and reports. Print speeds up to 26 ppm black/color. Next generation TerraJet toner brings your business to life with more vivid colors. This HP printer uses original HP 218A standard and 218X high-yield LaserJet toner cartridges. Fast color printing, scan, copy, auto 2-sided printing, auto document